everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing good. We sorry about the delay that we're supposed to post our market forecast last night. We had issues, so yeah. But now let's continue. Let's start with EURUSD, right? Start to EURUSD. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your comments below, guys. Share your comments below. Thank you so much, and let's go. So looking at EURUSD, they're currently sitting on this range here, and what I'm currently seeing is that price can continue pushing around here, right? So if you're looking to take buys on EURUSD, that means you can go through to a lower time frame, and then like look at your confluences, and then you can buy your EURUSD until around these areas, right? But price when it gets here, this is where I'm going to be also looking for sales. Unless we break this area, then I'm going to start looking for buys, which I'm going to be targeting here, right? So that's what I want to be looking at on EURUSD. Is what is for price to do what? For price to push up, give me signs and sell, right? But then if I don't get the signs to sell, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for price to break, give me an opportunity to take buys, and then I'm gonna be targeting these areas here where I'm gonna be buying, right? So if I do get signs to sell here, my target is going to be at the lows, right? If you don't know how to trade the ranging market, please go make sure that you watch our previous video where it teaches you how to trade the ranging market, right? So yeah, let's move on to the next one. So looking at GU, I'm not expecting any buys, but what I'm looking at, I'm expecting to take sells when price gets here. I already missed an opportunity to take buys around here. So what now I can do is I can just wait for price to give me another opportunity here to take sells. But then if price do come back and give me another opportunity to take buys here, I will take it with my target around these areas here. So if I want to be taking sells here, that means my target is going to be here. Please make sure that when you take trades, your targets are realistic. Don't be targeting home runs when you can see the market is reacting at certain levels. So at GU, this is what I'm going to be expecting. Just to recap, right? I like keeping things simple, guys, right? So that so that you don't get confused. You understand? So price gets here, give me opportunity to sell. I'm selling price until here, right? This is going to be my target. But price, if price happens to come back before it reaches here and then give me an opportunity to take buys, I'm buying and my target is going to be here, right? But then if I'm willing, for those that are swing traders and want to hold the trade after they got the opportunity to sell here, this can be your target 1, and then this can be your target 2, and so on as you go down, right? So that's going to be it for GU. EURCAD, looking at EURCAD, it's also in a range where I'm also going to say if you're currently looking to take sells, you're in you came at the right time, right? While price is still floating around here, you can take sells with your target around these areas. Please make sure that you apply your risk management, use proper lot size, put the stop loss in the right areas, and yeah, so EURCAD is easy as ease, looking to take sells, price target here. If price do happens that it doesn't continue moving to the downside and then breaks the upside, it's simple, guys. You just wait for break and retest, and then you buy the market to the upside, right? With my target around these areas, right? Simple as that. Right. If you'd like to join our community, I'm going to put the link below so that you can contact us. We're also running a 50% special off on all our courses, right? So if you like to learn from us, just make sure that you click on the link below and we can communicate via WhatsApp or Telegram or even Instagram. All the links are going to be below. So yeah, this is going to be it for EURCAD, right? Expect you can look for sells, but then if price happens to break the upside, wait for the opportunity to take buys before you take buys, right? So that's gonna be it for EURCAD, and let's go to the next one. AUDUSD. This is my favorite, right? This is my favorite. Price is currently reacting where I was expecting to take sells, right? So what I'm gonna wait now to see here, because there's still an opportunity that price can still push until here, right? Sorry, there's still an opportunity that price can still push until here, right? So now what I can wait for is to see, sorry, is to see what price does here, right? Because for me, I see AUDUSD giving me an opportunity to take sales. And by now, I'm sure you can know where my target is going to be at, right? This is going to be my target. If I do get sales here, this is going to be my target. If it happens to take me out at these areas here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill down to lower time frame and then wait for price to do what? To come back, retest, and then take a buy. My target is here. And also, just to put it out there, please know that when price is sitting at around these areas here, you can get a high risk trade. Why? Because if it breaks, there's a high chance that price can come back, right? So you can buy here after price broke, and then what? And then price can take you out, right? And then continue pushing down. So for those that are not comfortable with taking trades around these areas, as I mentioned on the previous video on how to avoid taking losses on the ranging market, please watch that video and then make sure that you know what you're going to be doing around these areas here, right? So you need to be cautious of price spiking you out and then moving to the right direction that you were what the right direction that you were, what is this word now, looking for. Sorry. The right direction that you were looking for, right? Which is going to be south. So for those that are not comfortable in taking sales here, I would advise to wait for price to get here if it happens that it doesn't give us opportunity around this area, right? Our target is going to be here. If you're selling here, target 1, target 2, right? So that's going to be it for AUDUSD. Just to recap again, just to show you what I was looking for. Is for what? Is for price to give me signs here and then sell. I just want to go through this video quickly so that you guys can be able to watch it in time so that you don't miss this trade, right? So price react here, sell, target there. Price breaks here, wait for retest, buy, target there, right? Not comfortable to take buys and sells here, wait for price to get there. Simple as that, right? So also, if you want to trade with our recommended broker, which is Access, I'm going to put the link below in the description box. And you can also trade indices with just a minimum of a $10 deposit, right? Make sure that you click on the link below to sign up. Looking at US30. US30 is currently sitting in this areas right here. So this is a very strong area, right? So what can happen here is you can expect USD to push back and then we can sell until this target's here, right? And this is the area where I can expect to take buys, and continue with our bullish momentum, right? But if price happens to break around here, then I'm going to expect a retest and then we can sell this market down, right? So now let's look at other things, right? So what happens if US30, because now currently USD is breaking this area here, right? Currently USD is breaking this area here. What can we expect, right? So what we can expect from USD is that if price continues to break, expect for price to give you an opportunity to take buys, and then you can continue buying, right? Remember, our second target on our previous videos, it was around here, right? So when you buy US30 at these levels, please make sure and keep in mind where your target is at, right? Because what happens here is price can come here, price can reach here, react, and then it can drop, right? So be careful when price gets there. Just make sure that your target are realistic, guys, right? So let's move on to the next one. So looking at Nasdaq. Nasdaq is also like bullish, but now where it's currently at, I'm also just going to wait for Nasdaq to push, right, and break before I can start buying it, right? Because where it's currently at for me to take buys, it's not good, right? It's going to be very risky for myself, right? So if you are comfortable with taking buys where it's at, please make sure that you apply risk management. But I will suggest that you wait for Nasdaq to do what? To break and then give you an opportunity to come, and then you can start looking for buys. Simple as that. That way you're gonna catch high probability trades. But then if you wanna buy now, just make sure that there's this area where Nasdaq can start reacting and we can drop, right? and then we can drop, and then you're gonna be in a drawdown, right? And or taken out. So when this thing is currently at, you can react here, give us opportunity. I'm gonna take sales, right? But if it breaks, that's when I'm gonna start looking for buying opportunity, right? But Nasdaq is bullish, so when I take my sales, I'm gonna be taking sales knowing that we are in a bullish market, right? So just keep in mind with with where price is at, and before you take trades, right? Because if you're taking sells on a bullish market, just know that's going to be short sells. If you're taking buys on a bearish market, just know that's going to be short moves, right? Simple as that. So Nasdaq, let's wait to see what's going to happen here, and then we're going to start taking our decisions from there. Right at the moment, I'm just going to wait and see what it gives me. So looking at Bitcoin, we're currently on a very high, strong, very high, strong. We're currently on a high, strong area. So what we can expect here, we can expect price to react. If I do get signs of selling this market, I'm gonna sell this market around these areas. Remember, guys, I'm a day trader, right? So the reason I'm willing to take short moves is because I know that I'm willing to risk a certain amount to make a certain amount, right? The scalpers also same thing, right? But they'll be willing to catch short moves at lower time frame, like your 1 minute and 5 minute. As a day trader, I just want to like short moves. One trade a day, that's fine. Two trade a week, that's fine, right? Swing traders, you guys are also going to be looking for also bigger time frame and looking for big moves. So if you're a swing trader and looking me taking this move from there to there, please don't judge me, right? Stick to your plan, stick the way you trade, which works for you, right? Which is gonna be good for you. So Bitcoin, we currently reacting here. What I'm expecting now here, I want to see what prices will do around here. If I do get signs to sell this market, I'm selling this market around there, and then this is going to be my target. If when price gets here and then it gives me an opportunity to take buys, I'm taking buys, then my target is there, right? But then if we break here, that means my second target is going to be there, the target there, right? Simple as that. So we're currently looking at Ethereum, right? We're looking at Ethereum. Ethereum are working for this, right? So Ethereum is also at our highs. So what we can expect here is that, let's see what price does here. Same setup as Bitcoin. If we do break, we wait for retest and then we buy, right? But then if price give us a size to sell this market, we're shorting this market until here, which is going to be about TP1. If we don't break there, and then what do we do? This is going to be our target too. But then here, this is where I'm going to be more comfortable on taking high probability buy setups, right? Same as, same as here if we do break. But then at the moment, I'm just going to be looking for short moves. If it give me a sign to sell, which is going to be targeting there, and then the moment the price gets here, I make sure that I protect my profits so that if anything happens, that price comes back and spike me out, at least I go out with something, right? So please make sure that you are able to manage your trades, and you stick to your plan, guys. Don't um don't target unrealistic targets, right? So this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like. Thank you for subscribing, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Oh yeah, before I continue, if you wanna sign up with the best broker that you're trading with, please make sure that you click the link below, which is Xness, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Cheers.